skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize,
but I don't think we should.
a spooky, scary skeleton shouts startling, shrilly screams. They'll sneak under sarcophagus and just won't leave